how to deposit money through bank account to your Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binbisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can deposit money to Binance through your bank account. Well, first things first, you can open up your account, then you can head over to the deposit section. Now in my case, I just created and verified my account, so it's showing up deposit right there. But if you don't find it here, you can head over to wallet at the bottom right corner and you can tap on deposit there. Once you select deposit here, you can go ahead and select the BTC or any such coins that you would like to deposit, and you'll get the address right there. However, if you want to deposit it through your bank account, tap on deposit. Then you can see the option that says buy with USD. Now first choose your currency right here, so payment currency, then tap on buy with it. Then here you can see it'll give you the option to center in the amount. Click here to switch buy sell crypto, and then set price alert right here. Then you can see buy with USDT, select crypto you want to trade, and payment method here. Then once you have selected all those methods right here, then you can see pay with, and you can choose here the available options right here. In my case, it's just showing up card or Visa card or MasterCard, but depending on the reason you choose and the currency you choose, you'll have different options available. So hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.